Hello, welcome to Anjus universe. Today we'll do kundri. It's called Coccinea grandis, also the ivy gourd, baby watermelon, and scientifically it's called Cephalandra indica. So it's full of vitamin A, B, C, and beta carotene also. So let's see how we are going to do. So I have first washed them. Now I'm going to chop them and also show you the rest of the ingredients which we need for this recipe. Let's start. Here's our Coccinea or the kundri. What I have done, I have chopped in lengthwise. You can see it's like little bit of red in color. No need to worry about that. As far as the skin is green, you can use them, but if the skin color changes to yellow or the orange or the red color, then you should skip that. You should not use those things. So here, whenever the skin is green, inside it's little red, no problem. It will give you a tangy, nice sour flavor to it. So let's see the spices we need for this. So what I have done, I have taken 1 tablespoon of urad dal and 1 tablespoon of chana dal, which I have dry roasted them and I have made a powder out of it. So here's the powder, chana dal and the urad dal roasted, dry roasted powder. So after that is the coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of asafoetida or the hing, and salt according to taste. So I'll first put oil in a pan and then I'm going to fry the Coccinea or the kundri. Here I have put one and then I'm going to splatter all over it. After some time I'll open it. Now I'm going to add the hing into it. Because oil was hot, so I have not added, it will burn the hing. So now I'm going to add the hing and we'll fry little for 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll add the spices into it. I fried for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the turmeric powder and the salt. It's been frying for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add the rest of the spices. Coriander powder, red chili powder and the cumin powder. This powder I will not put now. After when it's means fully done, then only I am going to add the urad dal and the chana dal powder. So here's the rest of the powder I have added. I will fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then I am going to add the chana dal powder. It's done. I'm going to add the roasted urad dal and the chana dal powder and we'll mix it well and it's ready to serve. Here's our Coccinea ivy gourd is ready. Actually, normally people, they don't do these types of vegetables. I'm doing because it's full of vitamins. So it's good for your health. So you do try at home. If you liked my video, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with new video. Till then, bye.